So let's just start with the first unboxing video that I make. You will not see my face now, but this is the package that I received from iFlight. I paid something for it, but I asked for a discount because, as you maybe know, I lost my lovely 9-inch drone in the mountains while longranging, and iFlight was so kind to just send me something, and we will open it now together. Very good packaging, perfect, got delivered with a DHL to my home just like 1 hour ago, and now I have holidays so I can start using it. Let's open it up, let's see what we have inside here. First of all, beautiful, amazing, iFlight long sleeve shirt. Cool, 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 very nice. Some advertising for them. Good, and yeah, I'm sure you already saw it now. So here we got it, the iFlight and 2 raw Helion long range frame, and we've got also the Helion LED mod inside. Beautiful, some wiring. This is the power board for it, and some COB LED strips. Take this out and put it to the side. So let's open this one up. Let's have a look. Wow, Helion. So branding seems to work. We've got some 10-inch GAM fan props, 4 sets, perfect. I also ordered like the full send LiPo. It's written 4500 milliamps, but it should be 5600 milliamps. Ah, you hear it, work is calling. And let's make a break here. Okay, I'm back. So, as I said, we got here the 6S full send, what is it, 5600 milliamps battery, 95C. We'll charge it and have a look how much power we can get out of this one. Let's put it aside for the moment. We got some spare parts. We got the iFlight albatross antennas. Let's give them a shake. Sounds good. If you wiggle your albatross antennas and you hear something rattling inside, they are broken, but these sound good. Okay, we can screw them on this silicone textured battery pads. We got some straps. Seems like a good quality. And we try not to crash with our big drones, so I'm sure they are fine. Then we got the GoPro screw here with an Allen key. Nice 3D print. Screw goes just through perfectly. Okay. Oh, look at this. USB-C to USB-C, a small extension cable. Let's take the drone out. I put this to the side. We got some iFlight stickers. It's perfect. You can just this. Let's grab the drone one more time. Should I mount the antennas? No, I remove them. We open this hatch now. We have a look at this hatch. Also this one, and some iFlight settings for GPS and some other stuff. Okay, let's grab a hex driver and open these screws. Oh, maybe this one. Hatch could open to the back. That's a long ass screw. Just to see how it looks underneath. Oh, nice. So what do we have here inside? We got this 3D printed, sort of maybe SLS printed canopy. We got some LEDs inside here with like TPU prints. I got some LEDs in the back. We have the antenna mounts, TPU, and good old GPS. Like an iFlight stack here inside. 3D printed part on the top. USB-C connection. So when it's closed and you have to get to the USB-C port to do some Betaflight settings, you have to remove these screws, make the settings, close it again. Maybe I will cut out something, but I will see. We have the O3 here inside with crossfire diversity on top, and yeah, the same when you have the canopy closed. If you want to reach the O3, you have to open the canopy, but that's no big deal. You don't have to get there all the time. Big nice aluminium pot with silicone mount for the O3 camera. Crossfire antenna is a little bent. What I like about crossfire antennas, as you may see it here, it's just above the carbon frame, so it's no disturbance there. We have some straps already mounted, that's nice. And the other antenna, this looks like a cool print. Oh, you see here. Maybe you can see it as well. This antenna, this crossfire antenna, it's an iFlight logo on it, so it seems that they make them themselves. Otherwise, looks kind of cool. Long arms in the back, short arms in the front. Let's give it a twist. No twist there. Just slight bending, but nothing to worry about. So this seems very stable. I like the big bottom plate, so you can fit like big ass batteries on it. Yeah, we have some more space. But what I really don't like is what they did here to the crossfire antenna. This is maybe someone did an error while assembling. I will sure remove this antenna and go under the bottom plate, because when I strap down the battery, I will destroy this cable, lose some range. So we should definitely fix this one. Otherwise, looks really nice. Let's have a look. Let's put it on the scale. frame. $924 grams, and the motors are only written 2 raw, but I think they are like 31, 15, maybe something like that, but I'm sure it's written somewhere. Now let's mount the antennas just for the whole weight. These here. This one seems also a little bit off. I cannot tighten them really well by hand, but it works out somehow. Okay, and we need the battery. What's the weight of the battery? 892 grams. Together with the drone, we are at 1.88 kilograms. I think my 9-inch was kind of the same weight. At this USB-C to USB-C, that doesn't do much. And then we will also have a GoPro. We have to throw some props on it. Just put a random 1.9 kilograms. Then there comes the GoPro, and we are a little bit over 2 kilograms, and we will see what we get out of the flight time. So next step would be to put it on beta flight, bind everything with my goggles and the radio, check the GPS rescue, and for sure tomorrow I'm gonna do a flight.